Hello and welcome back to the third video on this channel. Today I am going to teach you how to do photogrammetry using your Android device. First, you need to download the app Kiri Engine. After you have downloaded Kiri Engine, open it and create an account using your email. After you have created an account, click on the big plus in the bottom middle to take photos. I recommend you take 70 pictures because it's the maximum amount that you can take and it will get you the best results. After you have taken your pictures, click on the arrow in the bottom right corner and choose a name for your model and the format. Then you have to wait till it's finished processing. When your model has finished processing, just click on it to download it. There you can inspect it from all sides. When you want to export it, just click on the big arrow and choose the way of exporting. I would recommend using free export coupons because they refill every week. After you've chosen a method of exporting, you only need to type in an email which you want the model to get sent to. Thanks for watching and please follow my Sketchfab account which is linked in the description.